Gentlemen over 60, listen closely. If you wake up and your manhood feels dull, if that natural morning strength you once relied on has slowly faded, it's not because you're too old. Here's what I want you to understand. Your body isn't damaged. Your erections haven't vanished forever. They've simply gone quiet, and they're waiting for the right signal to come back to life. I'm Dr. Laura, a board-certified urologist with over 12 years of experience helping men restore their vitality, their closeness, and their confidence, not through risky medications or painful procedures, but through simple awareness, gentle touch, and correct breathing. Today, I'm sharing two powerful pressure points that most men will never learn about in their entire lives. These points can naturally restart blood flow, reawaken feeling, and bring back your morning strength safely, confidently, and permanently. Before we begin, hit like, subscribe, and comment where you're watching from. This community is growing worldwide, and I want to hear from you. Let me tell you something. I wish every man over 60 could hear directly from their doctor. The loss of morning erections doesn't mean your manhood is gone. It means your signals have softened. Your body still remembers how to respond. Your nerves are alive. Your blood vessels are capable. And your manhood is simply waiting for your focus. The problem is this. Over time, the pathways that carry blood and nerve signals become inactive from lack of use. It's like a room in your house you haven't entered in years. The electricity is still there, but the light switch hasn't been touched in a long time. The moment you flip that switch again, the room lights up instantly. That's exactly how erections work. I remember Harold, a 74-year-old patient who told me, "Doc, I don't care about sex anymore. I just want to feel alive again." 3 weeks after practicing what I'm about to show you, he called me saying, "Dr. Laura, I woke up this morning and felt like myself again." That's the truth about aging and erections. You're not broken. You've just forgotten how to turn the power back on. And the first switch sits in a place most men completely ignore. Pressure point number 1, perineum, the root. The first pressure point is hidden between your scrotum and anus. This area is called the perineum. In Eastern medicine, it's known as the root of life. In Western medicine, it's rarely mentioned, yet it holds one of the most powerful keys to male vitality. Why? Because this small zone works like a valve controlling both blood flow and nerve signals to your erectile tissue. When this area becomes tight or ignored, it's like closing a main water pipe. Here's what sits directly beneath this point. The bulbous spongiosus muscle and the pudendal nerve, both absolutely critical for erectile function and sensation. To activate this point, sit on a soft rolled towel or small cushion placed directly under this area. Breathe deeply and slowly. Let your body fully relax into the pressure. No force, no pain, just stillness and awareness. Within a few minutes, many men feel warmth, tingling, or even a gentle pulse. That's your neurovascular system waking back up. Thomas, a 71-year-old veteran, told me, "Doc, it's like the lights went out down there." After just a few days of this practice, he called me and said, "I feel a pulse again. I actually feel alive." That moment changes everything. Because once a man feels even the smallest spark of life returning, his entire mindset shifts from hopelessness to possibility. When this valve opens, blood moves freely, nerves reconnect, and your manhood remembers what it was built to do. You're not creating something new, you're simply restoring what was always yours. Pressure point number 2, femoral pathway, the highway. The second pressure point runs along the inner crease of your thigh, right where your leg meets your lower abdomen. Most men never think about this area, but hidden beneath this line are two vital structures: your femoral artery, the main blood highway to your entire lower body, and your femoral nerve, which carries all the signals throughout your pelvis. When these structures become stiff or limited, usually from years of sitting or lack of movement, your entire pelvic region loses its vitality. Earl, a 68-year-old truck driver, told me, "Doc, my thighs are just for walking. They have nothing to do with my erections." I smiled and said, "Give me 2 weeks." He started gently tracing along his inner thigh line, applying light pressure wherever he felt tightness, all while breathing slowly and deeply. Within 1 week, he said, "This is strange, but I feel warmth again, like something's actually moving down there." 2 weeks later, he told me, "Dr. Laura, I'm waking up with strength I thought was gone forever." This point does more than improve blood flow. It rebuilds confidence, because when a man reconnects to the vitality of his lower body, he reconnects to his identity, his energy, and his quiet dignity. Erections require two systems, blood flow and nerve signals. When either slows down, your morning strength fades because the communication between your brain and body has weakened. The two pressure points restore that communication. The perineum releases the valve controlling blood and nerve flow. The femoral pathway opens the arterial highway to your pelvic region. Once both wake up, your body does what it was designed to do: rise again. To make this last, you need 3 simple habits. 1. Deep belly breathing, 5 minutes daily. This increases nitric oxide for blood vessel relaxation. 2. Morning hydration. 1 glass of warm water after waking improves circulation. 3. Reduce sugar at night. This protects your blood vessels and strengthens erections. These habits, plus the 2 pressure points, create lasting vitality. Harold, 74, told me, "I woke up and felt alive again for the first time in 10 years. These stories prove your body never forgets. It just needs care. Starting today, dedicate 5 quiet minutes each morning. Apply gentle pressure to your perineum and inner thigh pathway. Breathe deeply and simply feel. Within weeks, most men notice warmth and strength returning. You're not broken. You're not past your prime. Your body still listens when you pay attention. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share with another man who needs this. I'm Dr. Laura, and remember, aging isn't the end of vitality." Gentlemen over 60, listen closely. If you wake up and your manhood feels dull, if that natural morning strength you once relied on has slowly faded, it's not because you're too old. Here's what I want you to understand. Your body isn't damaged. Your erections haven't vanished forever. They've simply gone quiet, and they're waiting for the right signal to come back to life. I'm Dr. Laura, a board-certified urologist with over 12 years of experience helping men restore their vitality, their closeness, and their confidence, not through risky medications or painful procedures, but through simple awareness, gentle touch, and correct breathing. Today, I'm sharing 2 powerful pressure points that most men will never learn about in their entire lives. These points can naturally restart blood flow, reawaken feeling, and bring back your morning strength safely, confidently, and permanently. Before we begin, hit like, subscribe, and comment where you're watching from.